All set for the review.
What are you working on?
Oh, I am working
Hold on.
the review for Pixel 4. Yeah. Yeah, right? Right? Well, that was 2017 on phone. They want their telephoto camera and ugly bezels back. Not funny, dude. Not funny. Are you serious? What phone do you have, huh? A broken S7 Edge? Really? I'm done, man. Google announced the Pixel 4 on October 15, 2019, and so many people just started hating it and bashing it for its poor specification, poor battery capacity, hefty price tag, lack of ultra-wide camera, outdated design, and so many other things. And most of these people didn't even have their hands on the device.
Come on, man, please. Can we just enjoy tech?
Specs don't even tell the real story. In fact, Google never talks about their phone hardware. They always talk about their software because Nexus phones and the Pixel phones are known for their great software experience, and since the Nexus 5X and 6P for their amazing camera. iPhones are launched every year. They don't have greatest specifications. They don't have new technology every year. They don't have new design every year. But people always buy iPhones. Why they buy it? Because people who use iPhones, they love the user interface, the simplified user interface that Apple iPhones provide them, and iMessage, of course. Google is trying to be the iPhone of the Android world with their Pixel experience and Google Home products. And most of the people who own Pixel devices that I know, they do not want to switch to any other phones, and same goes for the iPhone users. Anyways, my name is Himanshu, and in this video I'll be giving you my review of the Pixel 4 XL, and I'll be talking about the good things and the bad things about the Pixel 4 XL. So I would recommend watching this video till the end, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel with the notification on, because, you know, just do it, because everybody say that. Just do it. I'll make more videos, I promise. So at the time of the Pixel 3 launch, I was complaining I did not upgrade my 2XL to the 3XL because there was lack of innovation. However, the things have changed with the Google Pixel 4. Google has included the Project Soli chip on the top near the earpiece, and it's a radar chip. It has the new feature called Motion Sense, which does more than what they show in the promotions. For example, if the phone is next to me, the always on display is always on, and as I walk away from it, it turns off. That is freaking cool. I like that. And as I bring my hand close to the phone, the front sensors turn on. They're ready to read my face and unlock my phone. It unlocks the phone real quick, and it's very fast. And in the promotions, they have shown those swiping gestures. I think I use those features while I'm driving. When my phone is on my dashboard, I don't have to touch to skip the song. I just swipe. It works pretty good. Even when I'm sitting on my desk, swipe, it works. So those are the useful thing. However, I want them to include more features, how they have shown in the Project Soli video, like controlling the volume, or, you know, more gestures. I would like that, and which are more practical. Also, there was a controversial thing at the time of the Pixel 4 launch, that your phone unlocks the screen even when your eyes are closed. However, the eye attention feature was included before the phone was launched, but at the time of launch it was removed. I don't know why it was removed, but somebody on the XDA forum, they found out that this feature was included, and I think Google will patch this feature in next future software updates once they get a little more hate from the market. That's what I assume, to be honest. Anyways, there is this live transcribe feature which works pretty great. Everything that I'm talking right now is being live transcribed and is being saved even when the phone is offline. That is freaking cool, but I didn't use this feature much. I mean, it's great for people who take notes, who you know, yeah, it's good for people who take notes. For somebody like me, I didn't use this feature a lot. It's a super cool feature. However, I love the live captioning feature. There is 1 second delay, but it works on everything. It even works on music and on live streams. It works so good, and especially especially I like it when, you know, you're surrounded by people and you want to watch a video, however you don't want to disturb them and you don't have your headphones on, so you can just decrease the volume and turn on the live transcribe even, and pretty much watch the content as it transcribes pretty much live. And obviously there's 1 second delay, but works pretty good. And all of you who are wondering, yes, the live transcribe also works on your scientific content that you may want to watch on your phone when the lights are off, just saying. Then there is Google Assistant 2.0. It is now integrated into the OS, much better than before, looks aesthetically much better. However, there was a complaint. When I got this phone, I set it up, there was no Google Assistant 2.0. I was like, that was supposed to be the selling feature of this phone. What the fuck, Google? Until I found out a couple days ago while I was tweaking some settings that I switched the language from English Canada to English US, and it downloaded a 35 megabyte patch, and everything worked after that. Now I have the Google Assistant 2.0 on my phone. And I don't know why nobody talks about the now playing feature. This is the third Pixel phone to have that now playing feature, and that feature is amazing. So it's pretty much always on Shazam. So whenever there is a music playing in the background, your Pixel phone knows and tells you which music is playing in the background. I love that feature, and I think more companies should include that feature, and more people should talk about this feature, because every time I switched from Pixel to a different phone, I missed that feature. I love when my Pixel phone shows which song is playing in the background. It's just the best thing ever. I like that feature. I don't know why nobody talks about it. With Android 10, you get iPhone-like gestures, which I immediately hated. I made my opinion and I was like, I don't like it. I'm not going to use them. But as I started using them, I got rid of the classic Android buttons. It makes a one-hand operation very easy. But I also noticed that sometimes while swiping side to side, my finger went a little too far and it considered it as back press. Screen unlock, the facial screen unlock, is very fast and very efficient. A lot of people are complaining that Google got rid of the fingerprint scanner, which was at the back at a perfectly placed position. I know why they got rid of it, because if they would have not got rid of it, and if the facial unlock would have caused even a slight problem, people would have immediately started using the fingerprint reader. And they want you to use the new technology. They want their AI to learn new technology, learn more facial features, so that they can improve this technology. If we talk about the design, I actually like the design on this Pixel 4 XL. It's different from what you see in the market. In the market, you see glossy aluminum with glass slapped on both the sides. Pretty much every phone looks the same. This phone looks different. The glass on this Pixel 4 XL, the one that I have, the Panda White, is frosted, and you literally cannot see fingerprints on it, which I think it's amazing. However, there is a black and orange as well. Orange also has frosted glass. The black has glossy glass. The black one looks really premium. But I like the practical approach on the orange and the white, because I would rather be very free about fingerprints than to do this 95% of the time, to get rid of those fingerprints. I'm going to be more practical. I like this design. You may ask why you don't have a case for this phone. The reason is I'm still waiting for Google to give me the pre-order credit. So apparently they say this credit will be given after 6 to 8 weeks of the phone being dispatched, and the credit expires on 31st of January 2020. That's straight out trash. I'll tell you why. Because I won't be able to use that credit towards the Pixel Buds, which come out in fall 2020. So I will pretty much have to buy some accessories, and I know what I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy a Pixel stand and a fabric case. But I don't want to blow my money, because I'm going to use my credit to buy that. But I'm just waiting. I don't know when they will give me the credit. Also, I actually like the size of the Pixel 4 better than the 4 XL. 4 XL is a little big for my hands. My hands are tiny, to be honest. But the reason why I went with the 4 XL is not because of the battery. I don't care. I went with the 4 XL because of the high resolution. This 4 XL has 537 pixel per inches. However, the 4 has 444. So I like high resolution display, so that's why I went with the 4 XL rather than the 4. With that being said, the display on the 4 XL is made by Samsung, which is confirmed by iFixit during their teardown. Display has great color reproduction. Every content looks amazing. The colors are very natural. I like it. The display is super smooth with its 90 Hz. And also, as I said in my previous video, once you go 90 Hz, you are not going back to 60. 60 Hz feels so jittery after using the 90 Hz. And since I got this phone, I had been using 90 Hz from the developer options. However, there was another controversy. This phone is full of controversy. So there was a controversy that once the brightness is less than 75%, this phone will drop down to 60 Hz. Did not happen in my case because I forced it to run at 90 Hz. However, a lot of people complained about it. But in a couple days ago, there was a patch by Google. They have patched it. Now it works at 90 Hz at pretty much all screen brightness settings. And the display is fairly bright. But if you're somebody who uses your phone in direct sunlight, I would recommend go for the S10 because S10 gets super bright outdoors. My personal experience, and pretty much I'll be honest, I enjoy consuming content on this phone. The screen is nice and wide, really clear, very crisp, and with that being said, the speakers. Literally every person watching this video who ever had their hands on the Pixel 4, whoever has played with the Pixel 4 or 4 XL, they will agree with me that the speakers on these phones are nice, crisp, clear, even at full volume, and they are super loud. So when I found out that Google got rid of the front-firing speakers, I was mad. I made my opinion. I was like, what are they doing? But after listening to the music on this and how loud it is, I can tell Google knows what they're doing. They know it very well. Google has received a lot of hate for ditching the ultra-wide camera and going with the telephoto camera in 2019. I personally think that their use of telephoto camera and the super zoom technology is pretty good. The results, they speak for themselves. And to be honest, normal consumers or regular consumers, they don't even use ultra-wide. They always zoom in, which is so true. Let's be real. So I know somebody who got the S10, and this person didn't even know that their phone had ultra-wide camera because she literally told me that every time she has to take a picture, either she just opens her phone, takes a picture, or zooms in. And zoom is pretty great. That's what she told me. Ultra-wides are good for landscapes or architecture photography, and not everybody does that. Let's be real. But at this price point, I think Google should have included the ultra-wide. Or you know what? They should have gone the Pixel way. No other camera, only one camera. They're going with one more camera. They should have included at this price point, and would have been better. That's what I would say. But telephoto is more practical because a lot of people zoom in, and the super zoom mode, it's like icing on the cake. The pictures taken on the Pixel phone is just amazing. They are known for their great pictures. They continue the trend. The pictures are great. Their new white balancing thing, I think it's great. But sometimes I've noticed the subject, obviously perfect white balance, but the background in these two pictures, the sky just turned a little bluer. It was blue outside, but it just turned a little extra blue. But the subject was in pretty good focus and good white balance on the subject. Talking about the astrophotography mode, you can get some amazing results if you're willing to go outside your comfort zone, travel outside the city where there is no light pollution, the skies are clear, free from cloud, and you have a tripod with you. You can get some great results. But it's not for everybody because not everybody's gonna do that. And if you're shooting astrophotography pictures, I would recommend shooting in RAW so that you can take it to Lightroom and get amazing results like this. As I said, you need to go outside your comfort zone to take great pictures. These pictures were taken in my backyard when the temperature was minus 20 degrees outside, and it takes around 4 minutes to take a picture because it takes multiple pictures at various different exposures. So watch out, wear warm clothes. Talking about video recording, to be honest, nothing has changed since Pixel 2. The front camera still does 1080 30 frames per second. The rear camera still does 4K 30. Since Pixel 2 did the same thing. I made a entire video on my Pixel 2. I would recommend go watch that. And I expect the front camera to record at 4K 30. I don't care about 4K 60, but at least 4K 30 from the front facing camera so that I can film videos like this, without sacrificing the quality. And there is no excuse for the storage. The storage on this phone should have been base 128 gigabyte. Absolutely no excuse. And you know what? I would have been fine with even 64, but they got rid of that unlimited original quality photo storage option, like that free unlimited original quality photo for 3 years that they had in the past. They got rid of it. That is crap. Now they want you to buy the Google One subscription for that more storage, just like iCloud. I think that's bad because that was a unique feature about the Pixel phone. The 2 had it, the Pixel 3 had it. I don't know why they took that privilege away from the Pixel 4 users. Now Pixel 4s still get unlimited photo storage, but in high quality. And in their defense, there is not much difference if you look side by side between the high quality and the original quality. And again, if you are a normal person who just want their pictures to be saved on your photos, on your Google Photos, you would not even notice. But if you're somebody who takes a lot of pictures and you do post-production on your computer, then you would want the original quality, right? Let's be real, they messed up in terms of storage. So since I made the video about the Pixel 4 XL battery, I'm getting actually better battery life as it has adaptive battery features. So, the phone is always learning how to utilize the battery capacity in the most efficient manner. And I'm getting actually better battery. So I don't know why people are still bashing about the battery thing. That is just a myth, I would say, at this moment. Price could have been better. I would agree to that. Price could have been better. But in their defense, they have included something new, a new technology, the Project Soli, which no other company has included in the past. So I get it why they're charging a little more. But again, I got $100 US credit, like 150 Canadian, for pre-ordering my phone. So I can't really complain because I think the price is fair because of the new technology. But I'm not complaining right now, but if the prices go down, I'm definitely calling Google support and dealing with them in that time. I'll be super mad if the prices drop during Black Friday though. At the end, I'm going to be super honest. Pixel 4 might not be for everybody. And again, no phone is for everybody. Let's be real. I would suggest go for something which is more practical to you and not what is practical to me or somebody else. Chinese phones, they give ball-in specifications for half the price of this phone and sometimes even the quarter of the price of this phone. There are so many Chinese phones, but people don't buy them because they have their own flaws. The iPhones are great. I want to be that cool kid who's part of that iMessage group chat, but guess what? I just can't handle the iOS operating system. I can't handle the terrible video watching experience on the iPhone. Now, somebody watching this video might not agree with me because they love their iPhone. And again, there is no doubt in that. You can love your iPhone as much as you want. It's not for me, but it's for you. It's a great device for you. It's not a great device for me. A Pixel phone, this Pixel, it's a great phone for me, and I'll stick to it. If you have used a Pixel phone before, and if you think it's a good phone for you, then I would say Pixel 4 will be amazing for you. If you think I did not talk about anything in this video, I think this video is already super long, but if you think I forgot about anything, leave them in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. I always respond to every single comment on my videos. So yeah, and also if you think this video was helpful, leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel with a bell notification on, because that's a new thing, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to see my next video. And yeah, my all my hard work will go to waste. Anyways, I've been talking too much. I'm tired. I'll go edit this video, upload it on YouTube, and I will and again, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Have a great night, have a good day, or have a good afternoon whenever you're watching. Thank you so much.